Hey, what's up guys? My name is Sean Gaming, and today I'll be reacting to Donald Duck reacts to a lot of satisfying TikToks. Try not to laugh. Shout out to Donald Duck here. So, if you guys want to check out the Donald Duck's channel, the link will be in the description down below. And this video will be actually the channel of Donald Duck's voice will be in the link in the description down below. So anyways, oh, and also ignore the background, guys. Because focus on the video and ignore the background, guys. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. And wait, before I start this, make sure to subscribe, go follow me on Twitter, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button. Because I make beats on. Oh, and also go if you guys want to. If you actually never mind. Anyways, without further ado, let's get going. 3, 2, 1.
Green or purple?
Okay, it's gonna be. Really? That was just you, Donald. It's green. Too bad, Donald. Your football is gone. How does it feel, Donald?
What did you do to my
Oh, find a surprise animal sister location. Oh, it's me. Oh, what are you doing? Oh no! What are you doing to my ear? Oh no! What? Yeah, I think you're ruining Donald, Mickey. Oh, shut it! It's gonna be purple. Not. Cake, cause it's not real. 3, 2, 1. I think it's gonna be red. Shh. Oh, come on. Sorry guys. Anyways, let's just continue the video. I'm not sure how many times. Also, I'm not sure how many times I laughed. Let me know in the comments how many laughs did I just laughed. We're back, guys. Sorry, guys. Anyways, let's just continue. I wheeze, guys. Every time I laugh, I wheeze. Yeah, it is a whipped cream, Donald. Of course, it's whipped cream. It would. Oh, it's spaghetti. Oh, yeah. Donald, your voice. Oh, come on. Oh, your voice just changed, Donald.
1.
Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Sorry, guys. I'm back. Let's just continue without any interruptions. What the heck? It's an Attack on Titan. Uh-oh. Watch out, Donald. Oh, watch out. Watch out. Oh, it's fake. It's fake. What? Oh, it looks satisfying.
Oh my god.
Go ahead. Your voice. That was so creepy. Minecraft. Yeah, Minecraft.
If you pick red, I'm sorry, you're gonna lose.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with Minecraft.
Come on, Blue, you can do this.
Come on, Blue. Don't look. Don't.
No, I'm losing.
If Donald screams, I'm gonna laugh, wheezing that hard. Just like Wildcat from I Am Wildcat video from Rainhouse Gaming. And no, we're losing. Your motorcycle is busted. You're busted, Donald. Dang, Donald. I'm gonna go with green because I have that. Oh, you're losing. You're losing, green. Come on, go. Come on, Donald. I mean, green. I think blue is losing. If you guys pick blue, then I'm sorry. Come on, green. Come on, green. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Come on, green. Yes, don't give up. Oh. Come on. Yeah, come on. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. And you're gonna lose, are you? Are you really losing? No, you're not. You keep going. Oh no. Oh yes. Oh, it's great. Purple? No, it's not purple, Mario. It's cake. Oh, it's. I didn't know. Everything's cake. Oh, it's cake.
I'm gonna make them a size because someone looks really, really fake.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like you should make number one. That's gonna be outsourced. Let's see.
Be right back, guys. Alright, sorry guys, I'm back. Anyways, let's continue. Again, ignore the background, guys. Let's continue. I think it's gonna be red.
I think it's gonna be out next.
Red is my favorite color, guys. Let me know. Oh yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys' favorite color. Let me know in the comments. Okay, what's this? Oh, what was that? White stuff. Cream?
Is that ice cream?
Sound like a Cookie Monster. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh, satisfying. Oh, looks like someone just put. Okay, I'm gonna focus on the middle. I think it's gonna be.
I
was going too fast. I think it's the middle. I don't know. I wasn't cheating, guys. Okay, the middle.
Oh my gosh!
Okay. Oh, the phone didn't survive. Oh, that's. Yep. Oh, it didn't survive. It didn't survive.
Nope.
Oh.
Okay, just one will survive.
Oh!
She's not doing that bad.
Yeah, that is like fast.
I take that back.
Yeah.
It's a real cake.
Cake. It's gonna be cake. Everything's gonna be cake. Duh. But cake or fake? Fake. Yes. Fake or cake? It's gonna be cake because it looks not real.
Is this real or fake?
It's gonna be real.
That looks scummy, but of course it's real.
It's real. It's gonna be real. That looks real. 100%. Oh, you're kidding me? Oh wow, that looks cool. Wow. Okay. Yeah, Donald Duck doesn't have any kids.
Dude, okay, candy, fruit, and cream.
Oh my god, I
Just sprinkles, bitch.
No.
Or red.
Oh, red. It looks like an apple. It looks like a color apple. Purple. Purple. One more, Donald.
Orange.
Green.
It's gonna be orange this time.
We got back, guys. Sorry, anyway, sorry, guys. I need to continue. Oh my goodness. Sorry, guys. I'm back. Anyways, let's continue this video. Alright. Let's continue.
Pink or blue?
Pink.
Oh.
That's purple. Donald, you gotta break your neck. Yeah, be right back, guys. Sorry, guys. I'm back. Anyways, let's continue.
Yeah.
You don't break your neck, Donald. Actually,
Purple
nope,
or
you don't.
green?
I think I remember this one.
Green.
Yeah, purple. You lost, Donald. First you lost for Mario, and now you lost Donald. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how many times that I laughed. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, the video will be linked in the description down below, and Donald Duck's channel will be linked in the description down below as well. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later.